and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make a Mickey Mouse cake topper. I'm going to jump straight into it as usual and start off by tapping the circle in the shape section. I changed the size of the circle to 3.5 and then kind of just align the circle so that it's in the middle. I then offset the circle to 0.1. So you end up with two circles. Highlight both circles and then duplicate. I'm just going to move one of the circles out of the way, highlight again and then slice. So you just kind of have to get rid of the extra circles. Next, I highlight the duplicated circles, weld them together, and then offset to 0.25. I then get rid of the extra circle, change the color to black, change the sliced circle to yellow, and then highlight it so it can go on top of the black. I highlight both circles again and then group them together. So I grouped them together so I could change the size easier. At this point, I'm going to change the size to 3.5. Align it back to the middle. So the alignment is basically for the ears. I just need the ears to be symmetric. So I'm going to ungroup them and then tap on the circle again. This time I'm going to change the size to 2.5. I'm just trying to align the ear. It's much easier if you have the first circle kind of in the middle. And then I just duplicate that for the other ear. So once I feel like the ears are symmetrical, I'll just highlight them both. So the purpose of this is so that the top and the bottom of the ears can be aligned. You go to align top, or you could do bottom, and because they're the same size, they will just be at the same level. I then highlight the whole thing and just combine, and we have the head and the ears together. So this part is a part that I forgot to add, so I've had to come back and re-edit. The rim, I have a red rim on the finished product, so I just came back, offset to 0.6 and just change that to red, and then highlight and group. So I need the rims to be the same size as the head, as I put some acetate in between the head and the rim, just so that there can be some glitter in between it. So I need it to be the same size. And this circle that I'm selecting is going to be my acetate cut. So that will also be 3.5. And I kind of changed that to a lighter grey just so that I know it's for the acetate. Then I select a star. I'm not going to choose any particular size for the star. I just sized it to just a nice small star. Then I offset to 0.6, my favorite, and select both stars and slice. Get rid of the extra stars, so I'm left with a rim. Offset again, 0.6. And I'm going to change that color to white, and then select the black one and change that to the yellow. Then I highlight both and just resize it because it was a little bit big. Duplicate that and just move them to the side. So I've already uploaded all my images. You can find them on Google. So you have a banner, Mickey Mouse. The white is a rim of the hands, and then just the regular hands. So the rim you can find on Google. You just have to type in outline of Mickey Mouse hands. Anyway, so I'm going to just resize the Mickey Mouse. You just resize it so it fits in the little circle, and then I offset again 0.6. Then I'll just change the cut to basic because it's an actual picture, and then change the color to yellow. Offset again. I first changed it to white, but it's actually meant to be black, so you're going to see me go back and change it. Offset again, and this one's going to be white. So I just moved the head out of the way because I need to highlight the image and the offsets and just resize it. Group that, and then group the image with the offsets. And how I'm placing it on here is how I want it on the finished product. So this banner, you just have to put banner into Google, banner clip art into Google, and you'll come up with quite a few different ones, but I chose this. I just resize it change it to red, offset, and change that to yellow, and then I'm just going to highlight and group. The hands, I just resized the full image. And duplicate. Change it to white, and then change the rim of the hands to the same size as the full image, because the rim is going to go on top of the full image. And when you're cutting it, make sure that you keep the 3 little bits there, just so that it can give you that 3D effect. You have to be careful because sometimes you end up throwing these little bits away. So the 2 images go on top of the black one, and then I'm just going to group all 3 together. So I end up duplicating that and then flipping it horizontally. As you can see, it's coming along together nicely. So now I'm going to write the age and the name. I downloaded this font on DA Font, the font, whichever way you prefer to say it. This font is called Walter, so it's a Disney font. Just select that and then type in the name. This child is called Oliver. I then highlight the name, change the color to white, and then offset that to 0.6, change that color to red, then offset that and change it to yellow. I'm then going to group those and just move it where it's going to be on the finished piece. Then choose text again, and here I'm just going to put the number 1, just resize it slightly, and change it to red. I'm then going to offset the number to 0.6, change the color to yellow, offset again and change that color to white. Then I'm just going to group them together and move it across. So I've come to the end of the video. Please like, comment and subscribe. I don't upload as much as I should, but I'm just starting out, so it's a bit difficult. Here's the finished product. As you can see, it's beautiful. Yeah, thanks, bye.